ever pondered the impact of sports on a child's life? How crucial are they really? Well, let's break it down. Sports in childhood are not just about fun and games. Sure, they're a fantastic way for kids to let off steam, but they're so much more than that. They're about laying the foundation for a healthy lifestyle. Think about it. A child who's active is a child who's setting themselves up for better physical health in the future. But the benefits don't stop there. Sports are also about learning life skills. We're talking teamwork, discipline, resilience. These are qualities that can help a child navigate the choppy waters of life. They're life lessons wrapped up in a game of soccer, a swimming lesson, or a gymnastics class. So, it's clear that sports play a significant role in childhood. But let's delve deeper into how they benefit children physically, mentally, and socially. First, let's talk about the physical benefits. Sports are a fantastic way for children to develop their physical health. They provide a fun and engaging way to get the heart pumping, which is key to maintaining cardiovascular health. It's like giving the heart a good workout, making it stronger and more efficient, but it doesn't stop at the heart. Sports also help develop stronger muscles and bones. Think of it as building a sturdy foundation for your child's body. This strength not only aids in physical tasks but also reduces the risk of injuries. And let's not forget about coordination. Sports often require a mix of complex movements that help improve motor skills. This can enhance a child's ability to perform other tasks with ease and precision. Lastly, sports can help combat the growing issue of childhood obesity by promoting a more active lifestyle. This sets the stage for a healthier adult life. Evidently, sports are an excellent way to keep children physically fit, but the benefits don't stop there. Moving on to the mental benefits of sports. Playing a sport isn't just about physical fitness, it's also a powerful tool for mental development. Sports can enhance a child's cognitive abilities, helping to improve focus, memory, and problem-solving skills. When children play sports, they learn to strategize and concentrate, skills that can transfer to their academic pursuits. Moreover, sports can boost a child's self-esteem. Every goal, every win, even every loss can teach them about resilience, about picking themselves up after a setback. This can be a powerful lesson in self-confidence and self-worth. Sports can also serve as a natural stress reliever for children. The physical exertion can help them manage their emotions, channeling their energy into something productive and rewarding. It can provide them with a sense of accomplishment and a positive outlet for their feelings. So, sports can give children a mental edge. But that's not all. There are social benefits too. Now, let's look at the social benefits of sports. Sports provide an excellent platform for children to develop essential social skills. When involved in a sport, children learn to interact with their peers, coaches, and referees, promoting a healthy understanding of communication and respect. Being part of a team is like being part of a small society. It's here where children learn about cooperation and the importance of working together towards a common goal. They experience firsthand that the success of the team depends on every member's contribution. Sports also teach children to handle conflict. In the heat of competition, disagreements can arise. Learning to navigate these situations can help children develop emotional maturity and resilience. Moreover, sports foster friendships. Shared experiences, victories, and defeats forge bonds that can last a lifetime. For many children, their teammates become a second family, providing a sense of belonging and camaraderie. So, sports are a great way for children to build social skills, but let's summarize what we've learned. In summary, sports are far more than just a way to pass the time. They play an integral role in childhood, shaping the physical, mental, and social aspects of a child's life. Remember those physical benefits we spotlighted? The strength, agility, and overall health that come from active play? Yes, those are the building blocks for a healthier, more active future. And let's not forget the mental benefits. Sports teach kids to focus, strategize, and work under pressure. They build resilience and instill a sense of accomplishment that can boost self-esteem. Socially, sports are a goldmine. They foster teamwork, communication, and cooperation. They teach children to navigate success and failure, to be gracious winners and good losers. In a nutshell, sports in childhood are not just about winning or losing, they're about learning, growing, and setting the stage for a well-rounded life.